In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a group on ClickUp. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool, and being able to organize your team into groups can be incredibly beneficial for managing tasks efficiently. Whether you're coordinating with a small team or a larger organization, learning how to create and manage groups can streamline communication and task delegation. To get started, first, open your preferred web browser and go to clickup.com. Log in using your credentials to access your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace. In this example, we'll be going to the list for Project 1 within Tests Workspace 1. These areas contain the tasks and projects you'll be organizing into groups. Within the workspace, you'll want to locate and click on the actual workspace name. Here, it's Tests Workspace 1. This will give you access to more options to manage your team settings. Once you've accessed the workspace settings, look for the Settings menu option and click on it. After entering the Settings menu, locate the Teams option. Click on it to proceed. Here, you're essentially setting up the basic structure of your team, organizing your members into manageable groups that suit your project's needs. Next, click on the option that says Create a Team. This is where you'll begin to formulate your group. You'll be prompted to type in the name for your new team. Make sure the name is clear and representative of the group's function or project alignment, which helps in staying organized. After inputting the name, click on Save to confirm the creation of the team. Now that you have the team set up, it's time to add members. Find and click on Add Members, which will allow you to bring in people who should be part of this group. Select the members you wish to include by checking the appropriate boxes next to their names. Ensure you're choosing the right individuals relevant to the team's purpose. Once you have selected the desired members, you'll need to click on Highlight. This step ensures these members are confirmed as part of the team. After that, move back to the main workspace list. Here, back to the Project 1 list under Tests Workspace 1 to continue. In the next step, click on Invite, which will initiate sending invitations to the selected members. When prompted, click on Member to specify the role you want the invitees to have. You also have the option to restrict access, such as when they can only view items shared with them, which you can select where it says Can't use all features or be added to spaces. To conclude, click on Send Free Invite to officially invite your team members into your newly established group. Ensure all invites are sent successfully, and follow up with members to confirm they have received and accepted their invitations. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a group on ClickUp. This will make task management more organized and project collaboration more effective.